Okay, so we're going to do the exercise negating propositions involving or. So there's a video before this, if I'm not mistaken, and it just kind of went through all the little bits and bobs of logic in Python. So for this one, we're just going to try and figure out how to make a function that'll tell the numbers outside two numbers and between two numbers. So negation of anything outside is between or the same as. So for this one, we'll do the number outside. So what will we call it? We'll just call n equals 0. And then for d in data, we'll just call it d, it doesn't matter what it's called. If d is less than a, or d is more than b, so if it's smaller than the smallest one or bigger than the biggest one, then we can let n, or we don't even have to put it there, we can just put it over here, n is equal to n plus 1. So then we'll at the end we'll return n. And so what's the negation to the outside? It's the one little quirk of it here, so we're going to call it no is equal to 0. For d in data, we'll do the same thing again. So that's all just the mechanics of it. But for this bit here, then we need to think about what's the opposite of the number outside. So if d is more than or equal to a, and we can't have or here because it needs to fulfill both of these things because it's between two things, d is less than or equal to b, then we can let no equal to no plus 1 and then return no. So hopefully this works out now. I'll just run it. So 491 should equal 491. If I run the test here, it should all be fine as well. So yeah, that's how you go about doing that.